Welcome to the CryptoNest. So hot and mining. All right, so we had. Let me zoom out a little bit. So we had a triangle here, and hot and mining finally broke out from this downtrend. We kind of have 5 waves. Count this as a bigger wave one. We had an A, B, C for the wave two, but not great because we reacted to the 0.886. So this level of the second wave make hot and mining untrustable. So it also show a sign of weakness, right? Because if it was a strong coin, a strong stock, it would maybe had reacted at the 0.618. Also, as you can see, the wave A went straight to the 0.618, even a little bit slightly below. Ideally, he would have done something like so. Here A to the 0.382 after doing the B and the C. And once again, ideally, it would have stopped at 0.618. Worst case scenario, 786 fib retracement. That was 1302. But it didn't do that path. So these are the signs that we need to be concerned. Now, am I giving up on this stock? Not at all. I do think there is potential. Another thing doesn't really work out. It's first of all, we don't have 5-way up, even if I do micro counting. And the only thing I have is an A, a B, and a C. And the C wasn't a 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah, I think I deleted it. Let me reput it. Let me see here. All right, so let's go and put this 0.618 maybe. So we reacted to the 0.618. It's not great, right? Because we wanted to have a 1-to-1 ratio. I don't know why I took it out. Maybe, should have just left it. Okay, so if at least it would have reached $20.12, then, we can say, okay, fine, it did an A, a B, and a C. It reacted the 1-to-1 ratio. Very good. But it didn't do that. It fell short this C wave. Now, as you can see, we are currently doing a pullback. And once again, we're doing an A, a B, and a C. Well, this time, at least, I start to have slightly good news. Let me see here. So I took the fib retracement of all this movement to the upside. And actually, the wave A did went to the 0.382. Wave B actually reacted to a 0.618. Actually, let me clean up this a little bit. All right. So it did react to the 0.5. After that, 0.618. That's amazing. Let me maybe move that little guy here. And now we're doing this C wave. So now I can attempt to calculate what would be the ideal target for this C wave. All right, so I'm going to take the length of the wave A to the length of the wave B. Now it's going to be a little bit messy. I'm going to take out this little guy. So now we did reach the 0.618 level. Let me move this a little bit aside. I'm actually can now take it out so we can see a little bit clearer. So now the next level that I'm expecting to react is going to be the 0.786, 1487. And you can see that now here in this level, we are going to have confluence of, targets, because we do have DMA 200, 1460, about something like that, 60-ish. All right. We do have the 1-to-1 ratio, 1435. We have the 0.5 fib retracement, 1466. worst case scenario, we can go to the 0.618, 13.95. So all this, it's now all these are my levels that I'm going to check. I could actually, let me see if I find it, because it's a long time I didn't use it. Is it here? Yes, it's here. All right, so starting from this point, I could make, actually I could make a triangle here, and I can clearly say that, if price indeed start to react to any of those levels, this is not financial advice, but for some people who want to do dollar cost average, it wouldn't be, I mean, me, I would wait for the 0.5 and the 1-to-1 ratio. Maybe I'm going to scale back a little bit there, and after that, if we go lower, I'm going to grab even more. And here, if it ever go there, yeah, sure, why not, for long term. All right, so this once again, not financial advice. This is what I'm looking forward. I'm going to see also Bitcoin situation, micro, economy. We all know there are big events in the world now, so also that can have a momentarily impact. So be careful with that. And I think pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.